Now, take example of ATM counter. Suppose in the ATM counter, Mr. John has balance 5,000 rupees. She wants to withdraw some amount from the ATM counter. And at the same time, another person want to deposit some amount in John's account. That means whenever John read the balance, whenever John access the ATM counter, the operating system first read the balance, fetch the information from the DBMS, then read the balance. If enough balance, then balance is equal to balance minus withdrawn and update balance. But at the same time, someone wants to deposit into John's account. What will happen? If we not maintain any synchronization between these two processes, there may be wrong report, wrong output, there may be some misleading information. Suppose John has balance 5,000 and John wants to withdraw 2,000. Simple way, John withdraw 2,000, no problem. He has sufficient balance, and after withdrawing, remaining balance will be 5,000 minus 2,000, that means 3,000. But at the same moment, whenever John wants to withdraw, some other person known as Mac transferred 4,000 to John's account. Now what will happen? This is the race condition. If we not maintain synchronization between both, it may be balance as 9,000, because withdrawal balance doesn't reflect on DBMS. It may, that balance may be 3,000 plus 4,000, that means 7,000. It may be 5,000 plus 4,900. There are so many different class of causes may happen. But if we maintain synchronization, then we can overcome this kind of race condition. So I think all of you understand what is race condition.